Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing every Visual Studio window and saving all files. This prevents state conflicts. Once done, launch Visual Studio as administrator to avoid permission surprises, then open your solution. Make sure Solution Explorer is enabled from the View menu. If Solution Explorer is visible but empty, check that the correct solution is loaded. You want a clean baseline before making configuration changes, so don't skip running as administrator when extensions or source control might block file access. Now, reset the window layout to return panels to default. This often restores missing panes. If that doesn't work, disable recently added extensions one at a time because an extension can block Solution Explorer updates. Next, clear component caches, close Visual Studio, delete the VS folder and component model cache, then reopen. If Solution Explorer still misbehaves, run a Visual Studio repair from the Visual Studio installer to fix corrupted components. Make sure to restart between major steps to validate the effect. Finish by rebuilding the solution and using Refresh in Solution Explorer to repopulate nodes. This forces project metadata to regenerate. If individual files remain invisible, open View Other Windows Document Outline to inspect the loaded documents versus project items. For persistent corruption, create a new Visual Studio user profile or export settings and re-import them into a fresh profile. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, export your settings and preferences, uninstall Visual Studio, remove left.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.